Breathe. Feel how the air fills your lungs. That's one breath of 20,000 you will take today. What does it smell like? Taste like? Feel like? 90% of our time is spent indoors, breathing indoor air. But that air can be up to 50 times more polluted than the air outside, full of harmful particles and gases. There are few things as important as clean air. We know the difference it can truly make. For nearly 3 decades, we have been working at the forefront of air cleaning, so that with each of your 20,000 breaths, you breathe nothing but air. That's the clean air difference.